Every shop needs a workbench, but with this little small shop, there's really no space for a workbench. So we're going to make one that folds up to the wall. I took a little trip today to the scrap metal place in a neighboring town. They sell all sorts of metal, steel, aluminum, brass. Most of it is actually new, but not really well taken care of. These were drops from someplace, and they charge by the pound. I paid $28 for 60 some pounds of metal, and this is what we're going to use for the workbench. The base of this workbench is going to be a welding table, and then we're going to make different tops we can put on it for woodworking or whatever. So I've already cut one piece, the longest piece, cut it in half. That's going to dictate how deep this thing can be. Got the 2x4s just for spacers. That's how I'm going to lay it out. Use this little angle as a spacer for 1 inch. Keep laying these in just for layout. Like so. And we'll put one piece across the front like that. With their end cap once I get those trimmed to length. I think that'll work pretty well. So let me cut this up and see what we got. Okay, so we've got it all cut out now. All the C-channels cut out. Got it set up with a 1 inch space in between. Get that little small gap in the front, but maybe we'll find a use for that. But these seat clamps fit right in between, and you can still turn them, get them in there, clamp things down to the table. That's the plan anyway. Then on the underside, I've got these 1x1 angles cut. Weld those in, keep things all straight, and that'll give the clamp something to grab on to from the bottom. Now we just got to weld her all together and keep it straight and square. 40 degrees out here today. Good day to do this. Get the mill scale off. Didn't get it all off, but it's looking better. Okay, so here's what we have come up with. I actually went back and got a couple more pieces of the steel so I could keep my gaps even. And we came up with 20 5/8 by 33 1/8. Odd measurements, but who cares? So next step will be to weld this all together. Try to keep it straight, try to keep it square. And I'll probably be running to town for more welding gas for my MIG welder soon. So I'm going to leave this one here for the day. I've been at it too long. Had a few things go wrong. I dropped my camera and messed up my microphone, so we'll be looking to order a new one of those. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on part 2. Thanks. Bye.